want my children to have a healthy life.
When I step out my door, the air is clean. When I turn on the faucet, the water comes out, is usable. I can take a shower without being contaminated.
We need clean water. We need clean air to survive. Now is the time to act.
Save the U.S. EPA.
Well, I'm ready for autumn. I know it kind of officially arrives on Friday, but the heat and humidity is getting a little tedious.
And the interesting thing about it, we hit 88 degrees today.
Right.
You know, and this is the hottest day we've seen so far this month. It has been a fairly cool, really last month and a half across our region, and temperatures today, well, much more like summer across our region. 87 degrees, that's the current temperature out there right now. Look at that, nothing but sunshine. It is gorgeous right here, and we have a little storm to thank for it. 87 currently, winds out of the northwest at 7 miles an hour with abundant sunshine. It really is quite nice. Here's the storm that we have to thank for it. It is Jose. We've got Jose moving off. We've got an upper level area of low pressure bringing some storms just down to our southwest of Charlottesville. But that's where we're looking at Jose making its way out of here. Now, it's not moving fast. As a matter of fact, it's not going to move much at all. I want to show you the latest track for Jose. This is really quite amazing. I mean, it's going to be sitting right here for days, and the latest track kind of taking what the European is saying, the models, the European model and the UK Met, both of the European models into form here. Watch this. Winds of 70 miles an hour, tropical storm. Watch what happens. Goes out and then comes right back, and look at this. Right back into the U.S. potentially as a tropical depression at 30 miles per hour. So I'm not worried about the impact of this storm, but it may move into our forecast area next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But first we have to look at Maria, because these two are going to interact. Maria would actually bring Jose onto the coast. First off, it did make its way onto the coast in Puerto Rico last night into early this morning, now moving back over open waters and starting to most likely strengthen here. Here's the latest track on Maria, still a Category 2 storm, but it's expected to go back to a Category 3 with winds of 110 miles an hour now, back to a Cat 3 of 115 to 120 miles an hour off the coast of the Bahamas, and then up in towards portions of the southeast, just off the southeast coastline, as a Category 1 hurricane at 90 miles an hour. The cone of uncertainty out to sea and in towards the island, or rather towards the Cape here. That's the cone. How do we come up with the cone? A lot of people are asking me, is the cone of uncertainty a real thing? Most definitely. Lauren Ricketts shows us why we have that cone.
Yeah, you're right about that, Doug, because we've got all this model data besides just forecasting. We don't just look at the model data, we're actually forecasting as well. But the model data gives us a good indication kind of what's going on. All right, as a Category 2, winds at 110 miles an hour. Look at all the model data that we can put onto into our system and then spit it out. This gives us a little boost of confidence exactly where this will go. It's not an exact track, and of course we do a lot of forecasting along with this, but this will show the different paths of Hurricane Maria with all the different model data ingested into one system. So again, we have some outliers here, but this is going to be something we have to watch as we get into middle of next week. Once it enters the mid-Atlantic, just off the coastline there, water temperatures are going to be fairly on the warm side, especially if you're south, and that's to be expected. But once you get up around here, that's when we start to see those waters get a little cooler, and we really need that warm water to fuel the hurricane, to make it bigger, to make it stronger and more intense. Once you get into these waters a little cooler, it actually can weaken a little bit, and that's what we're going to see. That's what we saw with Jose, and that's what we possibly could see with Maria, but it's just too early to tell. Doug?
And even if Jose or Maria come on, both of which would be much weaker than they currently are right now. So that's good news there. But we are looking at Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We will be tracking both of those storms because, again, as Maria moves up, Maria coming up, it could actually slingshot Jose right back into shore. That's something we'll be watching too. So again, next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Until then, Wendy said she wanted some fall weather. Nope, not happening, Wendy. First day of fall on Friday, 85. And look at the weekend. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. A beautiful weekend. Next weekend right now, a strong cold front will pull Maria right back out to sea. And look at next Saturday, 74. Many areas will be in the 60s.
Yeah, but you can't complain about a sunny weekend.
No.
No. But you can complain about this. Senior citizens, they are an easy target for scammers, and the district's had enough. The city is beginning a crackdown on these crooks. Consumer reporter Susan Hogan, working for you, has the details. She's in the newsroom. Susan?
Well, that's right. District Mayor